Yo, what's going on, NERDO TV? Much love, Blake 182. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate that. Get that tattoo on the leg, man.
Hey, for half I do.
Yes, the rain. Say, I love the rain. I love the rain. Yeah, I love the rain.
For half I do.
Yeah. Sing it.
What I do love the rain.
Yes. What's up, guys?
Hey, man, how you doing?
We got Travis Barker.
Yeah, Travis Barker.
Leg, man.
Yeah, we're gonna find a tattoo studio now. Gonna get that signed up. Come on, man.
I didn't want to go. Get in line. Hey, security. They're not getting in line. Come on.
Get in line. Thank you so much. Yeah, surely. So, yeah, got a couple of pictures, both of us. So Mark Hoppus, Travis Barker. My night is made.
That's
absolutely made, man. Yeah, dude. Now we're gonna go grab a walk, get some cash out, and get a tattoo.
All right.
Sounds get some ink done.
Brother, come on.
What's up, guys?
I'm for my weed.
Yes, the rain. Say, I love the rain. I love the rain.
Hey, you wanna see my shirt?
Say, I love the rain. I love the rain.
What half I do?
Yeah. Sing it.
What I do love the rain.
You're watching NERDO TV.
NERDO TV, man.
Peace and love.
Check it out.
Fight all day. I work, never play. Never take no shit. Everybody knows me. Cause I'm a street fighter. Street fighter. Yeah.
Been waiting to do that for years.
Nice, man.
That's awesome.
Dude, that's nice. Dude, you got a pet.
Thanks. Hey, that's awesome.
I'm gonna get jumped.
I know. It took a lot of his time.
Fight all day.